The surgery complete, Tatiana Ginzu sits on a bed in this Moldovan hospital cradling her son Victor. Tatiana brought her child to the hospital in search of a miracle because her child was born blind.
2 months after the birth of my son, the doctor said he was born with cataracts. I cried knowing that I would call his name and he would never see me. My family was too poor to afford a surgery.
For Tatiana and her son, there seemed to be no hope in sight. Fortunately for Victor, his miracle came in the form of a volunteer surgery team from Portland, Oregon. This year, members of the Casey Eye Institute volunteered with Northwest medical teams to treat Moldovan children suffering from cataracts and other afflictions. During this 10-day mission, these surgeons and nurses worked up to 14 hours a day to complete as many surgeries as possible. They provided their services free of charge, knowing their patients could never afford repayment.
Svetlana had yesterday an operation for crossed eyes. We took care of the 2 inner muscles on each eye. She hasn't seen herself in the mirror yet, and we're going to do that right now. First time she sees herself after the operation.
Красиво? Тебе нравится это? Да? Пожалуйста, скажи.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. You look very nice.
In all, more than 42 patients were treated.
Okay, ask her now to slowly look to her right. Go ahead. She started out with eyes being turned out quite a bit. Now we're trying to bring it back in. I think she'll do well. Slowly the eye will become less and less red. It'll become more and more comfortable, and it should stay pretty much where we're leaving it today. We'll need follow-up, and the local doctors here will be watching her and be making sure that nothing happens and that she does well.
It's now been 3 days since young Victor's surgery, and Tatiana says she can already see a difference in her son.
His eyes are moving a lot more now. He seems to be looking around the room. Before, there was nothing.
And we were able to take both of the cataracts out during the same anesthetic. And after a day or 2 of healing, we put the glasses on him, and it was quite dramatic. He immediately started to look around, became interested in things. I think that we have truly made a difference in at least one Moldovan child's life.
For Tatiana, this is the best news a mother can hear.